Hello guys, this is me, Whiteboy7T, back in YouTube. Today is gonna be, I just made a video showing you guys how to put a HDMI, set up the HDMI in plasma TV. Now, if you could go back to the previous one, you could check mine. But now I'm gonna show you guys how to make a PSN account. If you guys have a PS3, your cousin made you that account, your brother, your sister, your cousin, they not home right now, and you need definitely to make a PSN account. Now, I will actually show you guys how to do it. Here, guys, you're on your TV. You scroll to the left, it says user right here, if you can see. It says user. You go to create a user. You put any name you want. When you put any name you want, you click enter. Click enter. Put any name you want. And then it will come out at the bottom. I put, as you can see, YouTube PSN. So actually, it is there, right? You're actually on the account that your brother made you, or you're actually on the account that your cousin made you, or whatever. And you don't know how to create one. So now I'm going to show you how to actually create one. You go, scroll to user, like I showed you before. Scroll to user, you go on the user that you made, and you go to that account. You click yes. It will actually automatically sign you out of the last one, and then this will come out. Actually, you go to the PlayStation Network, go up, and this will come out. Sign up for PlayStation Network. You click on it, alright? And for this, actually gonna need an internet. Here, as you can see, this shows. I'm gonna zoom in. Don't worry. Don't back out of my video. I wanna actually have you guys. On the bottom, it says create a user. It's there's two selections. Create a user or create a new account. It says create a new account on top. And on the bottom, it says use in the 16 account. You click on where it says on the bottom. It says use an existing account. You click on that. Then this will come out. Alright? This will shit. My TB almost fell. Alright. Alright guys. So it says signing ID email. You actually click on it and put an email that you actually would remember. As I'm doing here, I'm putting YouTube PSN Aroba, like tab, whatever you call those. Right there, guys. You can see it. You guys can see it. YouTube PSN. And you put that. Aroba, then you put AOL.com or Hotmail.com. I'm actually going to put hotmail.com. Alright? So you click enter. You actually want to like write it somewhere. Then it says password actually. Password. Use a password that you're actually going to remember. As me as well. I'm not going to show you guys what I'm going to put. I'm not going to show you guys what I'm going to put. I'm going to put, it has to be anything, whatever you want. Alright, I'll put a password. When you put a password, it will bring it back here. Click save password. And then go down. Don't hit forgot your password. You're crazy. Go to continue. No, wait, never mind. I'm sorry. Fudge. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Fudge, fudge, fudge. My bad, guys. I did a horrible video. I'm sorry, guys. Well, I'm actually gonna keep showing you guys. Is that like I hit instead of creating an account? I was thinking, I'm like, what the fuck? Why showing me this? Never mind. I'm just doing the video. So yeah, I was thinking about that. Instead of the bottom one that I told you guys at the beginning, hit the bottom one. Get the top. It says create an account. It shows you this. Just hit on the bottom. It says continue. Just hit continue. It says date of birth. Date. Date of birth. United States. Language. English. I was born in September. That's the 9th. 13. Put an older thing. Put an older thing. Because if you actually put like a real thing, actually PSN is not gonna let you, so I always put like 1985 and then hit on the bottom continue, guys. Continue, and this will come out. Just skip that. You don't have to read it. If you want, you can read it. That's the term, so just skip that. Hit on the bottom. It says accept. You click on that and this will come on. Remember that I told you guys about the thing that I told you, put a user, and the last thing that I did, put a user, put a password that you're going to remember. So actually, I'm going to do it again. YouTube, PSN, @hotmail.com. So you actually click start. And then it says, please confirm the following email correct. And it shows you, if you enter the incorrect email address, you will not be able to receive important information from PlayStation Network. Check that you have entered the correct information. And let me just show you that for some dumb shit. Because if you have a real email, they send you PlayStation Network and shit. But just put anything. Then hit OK. Now put a password that you're actually going to remember. Now I'm actually going to cover it. You can put any password, actually. They actually don't give a fuck about your password. I'm putting the password. Alright. It said my password was like you have to use letters, capitalized letters and shit like that. Use 3 or more times in a row. Like I can't use the same letter 3 times in a row. So I actually did do that. So I'm gonna just delete 1 and just put a number 6. Alright, now it says retry the password. So you're actually gonna have to put the same password. Damn, I'm having trouble. Wait, guys, I'm sorry. I'm having trouble putting a password. I'm having trouble putting the password for real. Alright, y'all know where I'm at, right? Alright, at the bottom, it says retry password. So you're actually going to put the same password. The same password. I don't know. Alright, then it says blah 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 blah. It shows you this. Hit save password. Oh wait. No. Hit X, save password. It says where you were born. You can actually change it to where's your dog name, what kind of animal do you like. You actually put where you were born. I was born in Dominican Republic, so I just put D.R. And there you go. Then hit continue. Wait. And then hit continue. And this will be. It says the email it says this because I put some retarded email. I can't put that shit. I'm gonna just put Alright, then it says online ID. So guys, really make sure you put an ID that you want, because you're never gonna be able to change it again. Put some cool shit. Like, I don't know if y'all wanna add me or something. I'm just gonna let you see it. If y'all wanna add me, I'm gonna put something like, you could put a capital letters, whatever you want. You don't need to put that again. You don't need to write that again. I'm gonna put monster 555, monster 555, and then I'm gonna put like this little happy face. Look, I put monster 55 and that little happy face. Then you hit continue on the bottom. You make sure that you put a good one, like spelled right, correctly. If you don't put like your real name, like my name is Sandy Almonte. You're not gonna put Sandy Almonte and then put a 555. No, guys, put something cool so somebody like see it and they be like, oh, I want to make an account and I want to put it like his. All right, guys, we're running out of time. It's 11. My video is 11:40 right now. So come on, let's go. Let's keep going. You gotta put actually. Y yo no arreglaste eso. ¿Qué le pasó? Alright, it says, my bad for the interruption. It says first name, so you actually put your real first name. Then you put your last name. Sandy, la computadora. Se va a caer. Yo lo tengo agarrado. Muchacho. No se va a caer. Look, it says gender optional. Hit male. If you're a girl, put female. If you're a boy, put male. Alright? Claro. Se va a caer, Sandy. Arréglalo bien. Echa la computadora, la televisión va para atrás. Hola. Right. Yay, that's better. Alright. Actually, you're gonna have to hit continue, right? Now it says street address. If they're actually you go to like PlayStation store, you wanna like buy something, that's for that, alright? So you're gonna put your real email. Alright. Then put your second email, city, Passaic. State, New Jersey. I live in New Jersey. If you hadn't noticed. And then postal code 07055. There you go. Then hit continue. Then it says yes. You just click both. Yes. Both of them click yes. And then hit on the bottom. Continue. Alright? This will come on like if you want to edit something. Like you can edit on the side. Look, it says edit. You can like actually edit it. If you want to change or you forgot to do something or anything. Alright? Just say on the bottom continue. And yeah, guys. When you hit continue, it actually verifies it to see if is everything correct. Not if everything of your information correct. But like if you put like everything that you're supposed to put, like 5-digit letters and shit like that. Alright, it says change your avatar. You hit yes. You look for a cool avatar. The cool avatar, just put one of those. Hit confirm. After you hit confirm, this will come out. If you want to go to a PlayStation Store, blah, 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 blah. Hit back. O. You hit the O on your PS3 button. And that's what come out. Then you say sign in. So yeah, guys. Subscribe, comment, rate, and deuces.